Hello, I want to introduce you to an awesome strategy. It's not a strategy with indicators or anything like that. It's actually pure price action strategy. And I think it's really powerful in the market and all the markets. And I'll give you a few reasons why traders are not trading this, and maybe you could be the smart one who does. So let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm DD Trader, and before we get into the charts a little bit, I just want to introduce you to my trading course. It's helpwithtrading.com. It's free right now for all my subscribers. And if this video is a little bit too advanced for you, then definitely check out the course because we really lay it out from A to Z, even for the beginners over there. So it's helpwithtrading.com. All you gotta do is subscribe to this channel and then go to helpwithtrading.com, get free access. Definitely hit the notification bell so you can see other awesome videos like this. And if this video gives you value, then definitely give it a like. So what I think is really such a powerful way to trade the market is to trade off the 4-hour support and resistance zones. So let's just take a quick look at this chart. This is the GU chart, and you're seeing, like, here are the zones. Like, it hits this and it pops up. Second time, that's where you would notice. This first time, this is where you draw the zone. The second time, look, another rejection. Then we get closer and it rejects off as well. This time it breaks through. That does happen. So then we find this zone, and then again, it's around this zone. And this happens to be a round number zone. It's like, you see 1.36013, so it's the 1.36000 zone. And that's why it's really a 4-hour zone, and that's why it's a powerful zone. And we're seeing that on the GU. Again, it comes down to here and it rejects. And then we find this one. So we're seeing that these zones are super powerful. And let me tell you why people are not doing this. So what you need to do is when you see the rejection off the 4-hour zone, you want to get into a lower time frame, either the 1-hour chart or the 15-minute chart. Look for your confirmation candles and then get in. So the reason why people are not trading this is because they're afraid to hold trades for too long. They don't want to have like 70 pip stop losses and go for like 130, 140 pips. That's number one. They want instant gratification. Most people get into trading because they want instant gratification. They don't want to just hold for a day or two. But I tell all the new traders, you want to swing trade at first. It's just a lot more forgiving. And it's the proper way to really start trading. You learn how to have patience. You learn how to wait till it hits these 4-hour zones, and then you get in. And the second reason why traders don't like this method is because they don't like to wait. They don't want to wait till it hits the 4-hour support and resistance zone because that doesn't give them as many opportunities as they would like. And traders kind of like get into the market because they want to make trades. But to be a successful trader, as you've seen a lot of my weekend recap videos, like, it's a lot of waiting. Like, I make 2 to 3 trades a week, usually, sometimes 4, because you want to wait for those best opportunities. And don't worry, you'll have those opportunities, and that's where you really could make the money. So to be a successful trader, you need to know that I need to sit out almost as much, if not more, than how much I'm actually trading. And if you want to, trade off the smaller zones and scalp and day trade, I'm not saying you can't do it, but you're seeing clearly, look at this chart. We'll go to the daily and you could see these 4-hour zones even greater. Just look at this. This is just one chart. Like, look how clearly the market is reacting to these zones. Over here, there's a lot of congestion. I don't know if that's the right place or not. Here, it's again, over here, totally trades down. Like, these are the zones. These are the powerful zones that the big money is really trading off. So you want to do that. And you want to wait for your confirmation candles, which are either, let's call them an engulfing candle or a wick candle. If you don't know what this is, you guys definitely check out my course. I go into this a lot more in detail. It's helpwithtrading.com, super course, free now. So definitely get in on that. But I just want to give you the overall method. You want to be trading either the breaks of these zones and then coming up and retesting and getting in, or you want to trade those rejections. So if the market is like coming down and hits a support line, so you're waiting. what's it going to do at that 4-hour support line? Is it going to reject? So then once I see a confirmation candle that it rejected, I get in and I go long. And it's okay if I have a 40, 50 pip stop loss because I'm going for 100 pips and it might take a day or two. That's fine. You need to be an advanced trader to scalp or to day trade. But to be a beginner, it's really good to learn on these swing trades. The swing trades is when it's swinging off these 4-hour zones and it's really powerful and you really could make the same money. So if you're patient and you could wait in a trade and you could wait for your trade, you're going to be a good trader. So I wish you all the best of luck, and you gotta hold out for those great trades, the breaks and the retests or the rejections. Till next time guys, DD out.